Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with my new video. But this video is a little bit different because in this video I will teach you a British accent. So I will talk in English and then in Urdu so that everyone can understand my words easily. So आज मैं आपको वीडियो में ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट सिखाऊंगी. पहले मैं इंग्लिश में बोलूँगी, फिर मैं उर्दू में बोलूँगी ताकि सबको समझ आए. So let's start the video. So today we will learn this schwa sound, okay? This schwa sound. आज हम लोग ये schwa sound सीखेंगे क्योंकि ये जो schwa sound है ये बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट में यूज़ होती है. Literally in most of the time between the words, in the sentences, in the place of words, every time, most of the time, schwa sound is used. So it is very, very important for you to learn the schwa sound first, so it will be easy for you to speak more like a British. So let's start. So this is the schwa sound, okay? This is schwa sound. This is a schwa sound. It is a natural sound. ये एक कुदरती आवाज़ है. We can spell it like UH, sound, okay? Sound. ये एक natural है, ठीक है? Naturally जो है वो हर कोई naturally इसको बोल सकता है. Sound, sound. इसका नाम है schwa sound, okay? अब ये तो पता चल गया कि ये schwa sound है, लेकिन ये यूज़ कहाँ पर होती है? Where it is used? It is used mostly in the place of R. In the British accent, they don't pronounce the R, okay? ये R को नहीं बोलते, ये उसको replace कर देते हैं किससे? schwa sound से, okay? There are many words that end with R. You can see in this picture. Here are the words that are ending with R, okay? ये जो सारे words हैं इनके end पे आ रहा है R, okay? तो अब इनके end पे लग जाएगी schwa sound. We will end these words with a schwa sound. For example, ear becomes air, after becomes after, calendar, agriculture, mirror, center, okay? In this, I've just shown you with the red line so that you can understand where we are putting the schwa sound. Although schwa sound is used at the end of these words that are ending with R, but here are the different conditions. There is a big difference between these words, that how they are ending. For example, over here, it is ending like IR. It is ending like ER, AR, URE, OR, and RE. Here are the big difference, but the main thing is that these all words are having R. ये जो words end हो रहे हैं ये different तरीके से end हो रहे हैं. IR, ER, AR, URE, OR या RE से, ठीक है? लेकिन इन सब words के अंदर R मौजूद है, ठीक है? So we are using schwa sound. A के end पे लग जाएगा A, after, calendar, AR की जगह क्या लगा दिया? schwa sound. Calendar, agriculture, URE की जगह हमने क्या लगा दिया? schwa sound. Agriculture, mir, OR की जगह schwa sound. So mirror, center. Schwa sound is also used in the mid of the sentence. कोई sentence है उसके mid में भी ये use हो सकती है different conditions के साथ. For example, cup of tea. But in the British accent, when we put the schwa sound in this sentence, it will be cup of tea, cup of tea, cup of tea. In this example, इस example में अगर देखा जाए तो I'm here to catch a bus. But in the British accent, इसके अंदर भी schwa sound हम लोग लगाएंगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? I'm here to catch a bus. A turns into schwa sound. I'm here to catch a bus. I'm here to catch a bus. अब इधर इस सिचुएशन में देखा जाए तो हम लोग वाउल साउंड्स के जगह schwa sound use करते हैं. We use the schwa sound in the place of vowel sounds in many cases. For example, अगर ये sofa word है तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? sofa. schwa sound लग जाती है. schwa sound end पे लग गई. A की जगह क्या लग गया? schwa sound. sofa. Bottom. O की जगह क्या लग गया? O की जगह लग गया schwa sound. Bottom. And another example, either word है again or police. Over here we used the schwa sound in the place of and in the place of o. Again. We used schwa sound in the place of o. It becomes police. Police. Again. अब schwa sound को comparative adjectives में भी use कर सकते हैं. We can use comparative schwa sound in comparative adjectives. For example, the word taller, bigger, softer, brighter, and all of that words, comparative adjectives, जिसके अंदर हम comparison करते हैं. For example, Ali is taller than me. Over here we used schwa sound at the end. Taller, bigger, brighter, softer, better. There is not a exact rule for using the schwa sound. You can use it in the different conditions. For example, over here, this word is not ending with the schwa sound. It is ending like guitar, okay? It is not as guitar. It is guitar. You have to understand the conditions where you can use it or where you can not. And last tip for you, you have to do the practice. आपने practice करनी है, आपने जो भी reading करनी है, जो भी काम करना है, ठीक है? जो words, जो चीज़ें आपके सामने आती हैं, just put this schwa sound in those words, in your reading, in your writing, everywhere. Thanks for watching.